Very good afternoon to all of you. The first 15 minutes of this particular class, I'll be asking you all few questions, and the questions are to be answered by those who have done their 11th and 12th, or those who have done their 11th. Is that clear? Science background students, as well as those who have recently joined, those who have just finished their 10th and they have joined the class, they need not answer, or if you know, you can answer. Is that clear? Okay. Now, others just listen. If you are not aware of the commerce subjects, just listen. I just want the answers from you all. Okay. Question number 1. Those who have done their 11th and 12th. Okay. Is land and building a fixed asset or a current asset? Land and building is a fixed asset. Okay. Next. Is furniture a fixed asset or a current asset? Land and building means immovable property. Immovable property means what? Fixed asset. Okay. Furniture are movable, so they are current assets. Although fixed, okay, confusion. So current. How many of you say current? Okay. How many of you say fixed asset? Oh, fixed asset. Okay. Motor car is fixed asset. Some confusion. Okay. Current fixed. Okay. Fixed asset. Okay. Fair enough. Okay. So land and building, furniture, motor car, you are not aware. Okay. Fair enough. In your, those who have done their first year and second year, there is something known as opening stock, closing stock, purchases, sales of what? Opening stock of what? Closing stock of what? Goods. Isn't it? Yeah. Someone said what? Goods. Okay. I'll ask you a few questions. Okay. Let us assume you are a businessman. You purchased goods for cash. Purchased goods. Purchased goods for cash. Okay. Pass the journal entry. I want a simple journal entry. You can answer. Answer. Purchase account debit to cash. Is she right? Pakka? Guarantee? Okay. Fair enough. Okay. Next journal entry. You'll have to answer. Okay. Purchased furniture for cash. I have purchased furniture for cash. Furniture account debit to Pakka? Okay. Now I'll repeat these questions. Okay. First I said purchased into inverted commas goods for cash. You said purchase account debit to cash. Then I said purchased furniture for furniture inverted commas, furniture for cash. You said furniture account debit to cash. Okay. My question is, furniture are not goods? They are not goods. What are they? Oh, they are assets. They are assets. So goods are not assets. Goods are something we purchase and sell. But furniture we don't purchase and sell. Is it? If I am a furniture dealer. Fair enough. So what is there in that? You did not ask me whether I am a dealer in furniture or not. Okay. Now, first question ही थोड़ा आपका, many of them are getting confused. Yes or no? Sir, goods क्या है? Fixed assets क्या है? Okay, fair enough. I'll just ask questions. I'll not give the answers. All the answers will be very much clear in the coming classes. Is that clear? Okay. So how do you define a fixed asset? Fixed assets andre ಏನಪ್ಪ? You kaha? Yeah. Sit and answer. the assets which are held for more than 1 year, for a long period of time. So suppose if I am a dealer in mobiles, okay, or if I am a dealer in furniture, मेरा फर्नीचर का दुकान है, तो मैं फर्नीचर खरीद लेता हूँ विद एन इंटेंशन टू सेल. मेरा क्या है इंटेंशन, मैं खरीदता हूँ विद एन इंटेंशन टू सेल, बट वो फर्नीचर किसी को पसंद नहीं आया, नोबडी लाइक्ड इट, एंड वो पड़ा है 2 साल से. So that is a fixed asset. It means that the definition of fixed asset is not clear, or the definition of asset is not clear. Okay, these are minute things what you have to learn. Once you know the concepts, once you know the important terms, things become very clear. Picture एकदम clear हो जाएगा, है ना? Isn't it? Okay, few more questions. Okay. What is bookkeeping? Others just enjoy, don't have to worry. Okay, 11th stand, those who have just joined for 11th or from science background, you don't have to worry, you don't have to answer. Others answer. What do you mean by bookkeeping? Recording all the business transactions and events in a systematic manner. Very good, very good. 2 marks, 2 marks. Students get 100 out of 100 in accounts. Okay, so I'll ask you certain questions. Okay, you tell me whether it is a part of bookkeeping or not. Okay, I pass journal entries in a journal. Is it bookkeeping? Huh? Answer yes or no. Okay, तो journal के बाद क्या आता है? Answer, answer. Those who have done their second year, answer. Ledger. Very good. Ledger is bookkeeping or no? पक्का? Ledger is bookkeeping. After that क्या आता है? After ledger, what do you do? Subsidiary books. Very good. After that, subsidiary books. So subsidiary books is bookkeeping or not? Huh? Yes. Okay. After that? Huh? After that? Trial balance. Preparing trial balance. Trial balance is a part of bookkeeping or no? Yes. After that, you prepare trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Is it a part of bookkeeping? Yes or no? Yes. So everything is bookkeeping. Everything is bookkeeping. Then what is accounting? Financial accounting you are studying here. Then what is accounting? So after preparation of balance sheet, what do you do? Don't know, sir. It means that what you are doing is you are just by-hearting the things. But when it comes to explain me what is bookkeeping, passing journal entries, preparing, that is your journal book, ledger, ये bookkeeping है. Preparation of trial balance ये bookkeeping है. Final accounts ये bookkeeping है. That don't ask us, sir. We, teacher has provided us the definition. We have by-hearted the definition. We don't bother to ask what exactly is bookkeeping. Practically कुछ बताओ नहीं. These things will never be taught in your college unless and until the professor takes a lot of interest in explaining the students कि bookkeeping क्या है. That is why I am telling you. ये इधर जो आता है ना, people who come to our classes, okay, just give me, I am telling you, within few days, 21 days, these are basic classes. Within 5, 6, 7 days, you'll start picking up the things like this. These are very, very important things. And when it comes to practical things, this is what is required. When it comes to your professional courses like CA, this is what is required. You just cannot be blank over there. You should be confident enough. Nahi sir, yahi hai. And that is how you will all be once you attend these classes. This is what is lacking in all the colleges. See, I'm not blaming any college. Is that clear? पहले के ज़माने में कैसा था? The professors were well trained. They used to give you some certain kind of what? Examples. आजकल क्या हो रहा है? Private colleges, I don't want to blame anyone. Private colleges क्या हो रहा है? हाँ, वो खाली बैठा ना, उसको आओ सिखाने के लिए आ जाओ भाई. अकाउंट्स ही है, डेबिट क्रेडिट. यू नीड नॉट से डेबिट क्रेडिट ऑल्सो, लेफ्ट राइट करके सिखाओ, वो लेफ्ट राइट करते करते आगे जाएगा, निकलेगा लड़का या लड़की, हाँ, पास हो जाएगा। वैसा नहीं चलेगा, इसमें वैसा नहीं चलेगा। एंड लेट मी टेल यू, इफ यू स्टडी द वे इट इज taught in the class here, 11th and 12th is a child's play. आराम से पास हो जाएगी with very good marks. You don't have to put in a lot of effort also. No by hearting in my classes. Everything will be taught systematically. Any questions, any damn questions you can ask in the class. Please try to understand that. आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया ना? Shoot a question. Once I have explained the concept, regarding that concept, if you have any damn question, please ask in the class itself. Everything will be cleared out. You don't have to worry. Is that clear? And as I have told you, keep that kind of self-confidence, right? Saying that, yes, I have all the capacity to learn everything. And also, you have to work out every day, every single day, whatever is told in the class. Same day you have to repeat it, write it, and finish it off the same day. Any kind of difficulties, please ask. Please don't hesitate. Ask in Marathi, ask in Kannada, ask in English, ask in Hindi. These languages I know. Is that clear? Please ask questions. You have to keep on asking why, why, ये ऐसा क्यों है, ये ऐसा क्यों है. All the things will be explained in the class. You don't have to worry. But ensure that you have to keep the things very simple. So it means that those who have done their 11th and 12th, if you don't know what is bookkeeping, if you don't know what is the asset, if you don't know what is the difference between current asset and fixed asset, it is as good as you have not studied anything. It is absolutely zero. It is just that you are studying for your marks. हाँ, marks अच्छे आने चाहिए, 100 out of 100, मेरे को rank 1 चाहिए. Now you all have to decide, you all want a all India rank, or you all want to understand it properly. What you all want to do? Some of them say both. You can do both. You can do both. I'll train you for both also. जो चाहिए आपको फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर के लिए वो भी बता जाएगा, फाउंडेशन के लिए जो चाहिए डेफिनेटली वो तो बताया जाएगा. You can get an all India rank as well as understand the things properly. And let me tell you, once you are done with the CA foundation course near us, I will be confident that practically you will be able to handle the things. Practically. Definitely you will be able to handle the things practically. Absolutely practically you will be able to handle. इतना है कि आपको थोड़ा ऑफिस में काम करना पड़ेगा जाके, वो तो आपका आर्टिकलशिप में हो जाएगा. Is that clear? So with these few questions, shall we start the things? Yes. So whatever questions I have asked, all the answers will be found in the class itself. Is that clear, guys? Okay.